Diagnose me.
Can you tell me what color that feeling is and where it resonates in your body?
What the fuck?
Exactly.
Something about the human condition. Yeah.
Something about just the way it drops. Yes. The nature of.
Is there a website that generates random scripts?
Yeah, the noises.
That might be it.
Hello. I'm Alyse. I'm unemployed. I'm here with my best friend Taylor.
Hey, I'm Taylor. I'm unemployed.
I'm here with Andrew, my boyfriend.
And we're going to Yard House.
Now I'm going to get food that my sugar mommy is paying for.
Yes, I am.
Being unemployed is weird. I've done so much but so little today. I got to just hang out and work on myself and what I want to do. And I have energy. I even got to nap today. I did school, I worked out, I read. It's Saturday night, which is the day of the week that everyone has the next day off, so we just get to see each other. And we have themes every week, so that's why I create posters, because it's like, it's nice though. You need that friend. If you don't have that friend, you're missing out. We're on day 2 of unemployment. I'm already dressed, ready for the day. Did my hair, my makeup, and who knows what I will do today. I don't.
Pre-game jitters?
Pre-game jitters, dude.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong to say.
Action.
Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So how's it going?
I mean, it's been a tough few days, but I'm alright. How are you?
Pretty much the same. Tough world that we're living, you know, as women here in a man's world.
Yeah, the reality of that hits me pretty frequently. The other day I was at work and I've actually been working.
And here's where we're at. We're outside. I'm gonna do a walk around this place, so. We got random trees, like there's a tree over there. They also have all these signs up here. This ledge here, I'ma sit on it. I just want to get one shot over the edge. What's gonna happen if the bacon is not starts going?
You gotta do something.
Who are you playing as? Horizon. Since when do you play as Horizon?
I've been doing her recently. She's overpowered.
She's overpowered now? Why?
Because every 15 seconds she goes, boom, flies in the air and ultimate high ground whenever she wants.
Oh, that's facts.
Yeah.
That's facts. I have been seeing you play as Horizon. Okay. Dinner. Chicken dinner. We got a hamburger with tomato, Hellmann's, and ketchup and cheese, and a piece of bacon, and there's bacon on the burger, and there's cheddar cheese chips with ranch, something ranch dressing, smooth ranch dip, and a Coca-Cola. What's your rating?
6.9.
6.9. But this time it has bacon on it.
That's really good. Yeah, it's not bad.
Perfect. You can time us. Yeah. There you go.
I'd keep it at a 7.4. Me and my business attire. I have an interview in about 3 minutes. It's right here. Wish me luck. I really hope I get it. Because then I won't be unemployed. And I can end this vlog or I don't get it. And this vlog goes on forever and ever and ever. They never showed up. We got some few updates. I did get the job at the Brave Stadium, and
Yeehaw!
my court date got pushed back.
Yeehaw!
And last but not least, we all did this shit.
Not we all.
Not we all, not her, but
Me. I did it all.
all
I
herself.
did the whole
And
thing.
then we did that one.
Yeah.
That's an original.
Piece by the Hanadoke.
This one. The middle one here.
Also an original piece.
She's sexy.
She do be sexy.
And that's what we did all day. It's cool shit. Well, there's a waterfall. I've been to it before, a very, very long time ago. And apparently the entrance is flooded. The entrance to the waterfall is flooded. See, here is where I'm at now. What is that? I don't know. Ticket, take the ride. Let's show you what they were talking about yesterday. Because we didn't even get as far as I got today. But I'm going all the way. Because I'm determined. Oh, and I took off my shirt. Well, I'm wearing a bathing suit under it, but I took off my shirt because I'm wearing white out in the woods, which is a terrible idea. Here are my shoes. An hour since I last saw you. I didn't find it. We're with this guy again. I got lost in the woods, but I found a whole bunch of deer, which was awesome. I just didn't see the waterfall, and I'm tired. I'm no herbologist. I'm no herbologist, but be careful of that plant right there. It's not weed. I don't even have my whole thing on anymore. I just have my makeup is still green. I don't have my lips on anymore. I was 420.
If we can hide the
That's my
alcohol
holiday.
and just be cracked out, that's fine. But if we do, yeah, nah.
If you look at my jump,
that dusty.
yeah.